So hello, here I have the Mitutoyo 516 602 rectangular gauge block accessory set, and it looks like this. Yeah, it's in a very good condition, and I'm going to show that in this video. So let's show some parts. Yeah, overall I don't see any marks that it is being used. So yeah, to my opinion, it is almost new. The box is complete, all the parts are there. Here's the foot. There's some sort of tape here to keep it in place. This part here is feels 100% good. And sharp. Yeah, before I shipped something like this, I would put weapon oil on it. So I normally use ballistol for this kind of metal. Because immediately you see the fingers in there when you touch it, like on these mirror polished surfaces. But you get an impression yeah. So that must give a... I can also show how you normally use it. So yeah, I'm not an expert, but I guess this clicks in here. this goes up, and then, for example, you have two normal gouge blocks. They are not included in this set, but just to show. And you could use these two items here and put this in between. This is 50 and this one is 30. And you put the other one on the other side. And then you can bring a little bit pressure. This one, first a little bit pressure here on this side, then you can lock this one in place, align them how you want it. And so now we have a beautiful 80 millimeters between these two. So this is just an example how you can use it. So all parts are included, but not those two gauge blocks. They are from my own set. Just to show it, how you could work with this. And yeah, that's it for now. Thank you for watching.